and Masters in Design from Product Design Department at Indian Institute of Science. I have also just defended my PhD in smart buildings and construction. Um, so the proposal at my end. So a quick look at my background. I'm also working on artificial intelligence and machine learning models. I have some competence in computer vision, and I have some research papers in applied soft computing, which I have attached in my CV. So in this research proposal, we'll talk about building a circular future, elevating circular construction through digital technologies for sustainable construction. The construction industry faces a growing challenge, um, minimizing environmental impact while meeting infrastructure demands. A circular economy approach offers a solution, focusing on extending material life cycle spans and reducing waste. Digital technologies are emerging as powerful tools to implement CE technologies in construction. This proposal explored three key technologies. The first one is sensing and control systems. As I have worked extensively on sensing and control system in my PhD, embedding sensors in building materials and building systems allows for real-time monitoring of their conditions and performance. Uh, this data can optimize maintenance schedules, extend material lifespan, and facilitate disassembly for reuse at the end of the life cycle stage. Now coming to building information modeling. So BIM creates a virtual model of building when combined with building energy modeling. It contains detailed information about its components and the energy requirements during construction. This allows for design optimization to minimize material use, identify opportunities for prefabrication with offsite construction, and plan for future disassembly and reuse. I have also been practicing life cycle assessment. I have a few papers on life cycle assessment, which I generally do on Gabi and Sima Pro. I've done many workshops on LCA, and I currently teach LCA at IIT Hyderabad and PES University. Now, life cycle assessment software assess the environmental impact of materials and construction processes throughout their life cycle. By integrating LCA into BIM, designers can select materials with lower environmental footprints and make informed decisions about design choices that promote circularity. By harnessing the power of these digital tools, the construction industry can move towards a future where buildings are not just constructed but strategically designed for disassembly, reuse, and a minimized environmental footprint. This paves the way for a more sustainable and resource efficient built environment. Now, project background. Coming to that, I am really excited about the opportunity to contribute my expertise to the chair of circular engineering for architecture's project in digital technologies for the circular economy within the construction sector. With a robust background in sensors, smart buildings, life cycle assessment of buildings, artificial intelligence, sustainability, I look forward to leading innovative projects and approaches to enhance circular construction practices. My background also in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and neural networks allows me to meet the core objective of CEA project, aiming to set and work on new standards and metrics for circular construction. I've already been working on standards and developing metrics for smart buildings and smart building design, and including construction stage using life cycle tools. This project focuses on developing digital tools, including automated inventories, digital product passports, and matchmaking for of reused elements. I have also worked on building energy modeling, which tries to minimize the energy by checking and modeling energy of different building construction and building operation processes. I also have a unique background in civil engineering, architecture, and computer science, which and product design. which gives me an opportunity to meet the requirements of this project. Now, coming to theoretical concepts, in my thesis, I have already worked on developing new metrics for smart buildings and smart buildings construction. So, um, and using digital tools like computer vision and smart sensors to deploy better construction approaches. My proficiency in sensors, smart building solutions, and AI uniquely positions me to explore and implement automated workflows and digital technologies in construction projects by incorporating holistic sustainability principles. As I have been working at the Center for Sustainable Technology at the Indian Institute of Science, I also can coordinate in many research projects, as I have written many research articles and worked with multidisciplinary and multicultural teams. Um, Other than that, I have also worked on experimental projects where I have validated and tested new solutions in pilot projects. So, also using AI-driven insights will be central to evaluating and enhancing the sustainability outcomes of circular construction practices. Now, stakeholder engagement part, my unique architecture of design engineering and sustainability background qualifies me to actively engage and collaborate with stakeholders, playing a pivotal role in promoting the adoption of developed data templates and tools. With a keen focus on sustainability through AI-driven decision making, I'm to build enduring partnerships. I would be glad to work with multidisciplinary teams. Other than that, I have always been interested in research activities like writing papers, and I have more written more than 40 papers, out of which 4 to 5 journal articles are published, and few are under preparation. I've also mentored a few students at the universities which I teach as a guest faculty or visiting faculty. I have given guest lectures at University of Florida, and I'm also a Bhavan fellow, Indo US Science Technology Forums fellow at the University of Florida, where I was working at ME Rinkel School of Construction Management, and I used to handle 2 courses and some lectures in that. I've also handled 60 bachelor students bachelor's thesis, and I've also given a few lectures to master students in National Institute of Design. In conclusion, I am enthusiastic about joining the CEA's dynamic research team. My commitment to sustainable construction practices, innovative thinking, and a collaborative approach, augmented by expertise in sensors, smart buildings, AI, and sustainability, positions me as a good candidate to contribute significantly to the development of tools and strategy that will advance circular construction. So, I can also highlight a few ways in one of my papers where I have tried to develop an ontological framework for integrating BIM, LCA, and BEM, energy modeling, for construction circularity. And even in my PhD thesis, the life cycle assessment, building energy modeling, and occupancy monitoring has been combined and using ontological OWL approach to achieve better circularity or better sustainability. Thank you.